But a friend of mine said to me last year, I reckon you can get us into the Mille Miglia. I said, really? He said, yeah. I've been told if I get the right car, we're in. And yeah, true to his word, he got the right car and we're in. So yeah. So it's Sunday morning and that's the end of the Mille Miglia. Finished last night. So you can enjoy a few photos of the event, see what we want. But for an in-depth sort of explanation of what's been going on, you'll have to wait till next week. But for now, you can enjoy some pretty pictures, and you might be able to work out how we got on from those pictures, or you might not. You might just have to wait and see. But anyway, there you go. So I'm already tired. Imagine what I'm going to be like when we actually finish. So there we are. But what a thing to be able to do, to say I've taken part in the Mille Miglia. And what a thing to be able to say I completed the Mille Miglia. You'll have to wait and see. And we'll find out all about it.